Hi there! Check out the MoNiBloom Bamboo Clothes Rack with double rods and storage shelves, perfect for any room. This freestanding open wardrobe rack is made from durable natural bamboo with safe, non-toxic paint. It combines a clothes rack, storage shelves, and pants rack all in one stylish design. Assembly is simple with all tools included and clear step-by-step instructions. The rack offers plenty of space for hanging sweaters, pants, and coats, plus shelves for handbags, hats, and shoes. Its compact design helps keep your bedroom, living room, or laundry area neat and organized. Use it also as a flower rack to display plants in your balcony or garden. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.